This is me doing my experiment on my bathroom. To start, I put the dry ice on the sink, and I put water on the dry ice. The dry ice is a carbon dioxide in solid state. When you put water, this ice spread a gas. This gas is amazing. You can see me playing with the gas on the bathroom, and it's very funny playing with the gas. This is my doing me experiment in the fire station and with the Wi-Fi chair suite. This experiment is called phosphorus sound. First, I am going to put oxygen so that reaction has be better. And second, I put the phosphorus inside the container. This experiment was created in 1669 when a scientist discovered a phosphorus for the first time. The oxygen is added. We are going to throw a match on the phosphorus. When the flame goes out, full from phosphorus trioxide. The reaction did not last long because there was not much oxygen, but it's very cool, the phosphorus trioxide.
Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm going to talk about my experiment. For this experiment, we are going to use hydrogen peroxide, yeast and water, soap and coloring. I dissolved the yeast in water. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down into water and oxygen. Yeast acts as a catalyst and speeds up the reaction. Soap contributes by multiplying the bubbles. And the bottle began hot because heat is generated during the reaction. We are going to put the mix of yeast and water, and you are going to see what is going to happen.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Guillermo. I'm going to do these experiments. So now I'm having a helper. So I'm going to start doing the easy experiments that are going to be 3. And one experiment that is going to be a very funny and very curious experiment. So the first experiment is so easy. Is to put 2 eggs in vinegar. So when we put the eggs in vinegar, the acetone dissolves the egg cell with the fluids inside the egg. So let's go. So we are going to put more vinegar because there isn't enough. So see you when the eggs are going to be ready. Bye bye. Hello, I'm Sergio and I'm going to tell you how to do this experiment. To do this experiment you need kerosene, sugar and bicarbonate of sodium. And the first step is to put the kerosene in the sand or wherever you have.
Hi, today we are going to do an experiment called Secret Ink. To do this experiment we only need a sheet of paper, a marker and a little bit of lemon juice. The first step is take the marker, extract the ink like the sponge that have marked in, and fill it with the lemon juice. I have already done. I have here this market of lemon, so you can write in a paper something, and before we have to do other steps. So I let it dry in my garden and you can see nothing here. You can see nothing. So now with a lighter you have to heat it like this and you will see the thing that you write here. I'm going to heat it. I finished, so please be careful with this step. It can be very dangerous. Do it with your fathers or with an adult. And we have the message. Second A top. You can't read, but second A top. Be careful, look at my fingers are black. So be careful please. And this is produced by the oxidation of the lemon juice by the heat of the lighter. I hope you like it. Be careful doing it. Bye bye. Hi, for this experiment we only need water, hot pepper and salt. The first step is add the pepper to the water. And how we can see, if I introduce my fingers, won't happen nothing. But if I introduce my finger with a little bit of salt, the pepper escapes. The pepper is occurs because the pepper floats on the top of the water surface. Water has a thinner layer of water due to its greater force between molecules. This is called surface tension. When we introduce the salt, this tension decreases in the center, making pepper escapes.
¿Sabes que te rebo? Sí, claro, porque se calienta. Ten cuidado. Qué bien.